Ready, start. The claim for parity will have to be decided finally looking at the qualification acquired, the treatment practices, the functions, work and duties, and so on. As has been noticed in Dr. P.A. Bhatt, it is the MBBS doctors, the allopathy practitioners who are dealing with critical care, immediate life saving measures, invasive procedures, none of which can be carried out by any of the practitioners of indigenous systems of medicine. The contention of the states which have brought in two different retirement ages is also that of public good, and the concern expressed is of dearth of sufficient allopathy doctors. As has been noticed in Dr. P.A. Bhatt within bracket Supra, it is common knowledge that the footfalls in allopathy institutions are far more than the institutions administrating indigenous system of medicine. The curriculum leading to the different qualifications, the dissimilar diagnostic methods, contrasting treatment philosophies, and the disparate composition of medicines administered sets the allopathy doctors apart. Further, casualty, critical care, trauma management, and the emergency interventional procedures are dealt with by allopathy doctors and not by Ayush doctors. These aspects, according to us, puts the former in a different class altogether who can be classified differently for service conditions. This has a reasonable nexus with the object sought to be achieved, that is, the sufficiency of qualified and experienced MBBS doctors with better pay scales and longer service both. We cannot ignore the submission of the states that enhancement of retirement age was only to ensure that there are sufficient experienced medical practitioners available to treat the public. The dearth of medical practitioners as occurring in allopathy does not exist in the indigenous systems of medicine, especially when critical life-saving therapeutic, interventional, and surgical care is not carried out by the practitioners of indigenous systems of medicine. There is divergence of opinion insofar as whether the MBBS doctors and doctors practicing indigenous systems of medicine can be treated equally for the purpose of service conditions, which on principle it is tried cannot result in treatment of unequals as equals. We are of the opinion that there should be an authoritative pronouncement on the issue, and we hence refer the matter to a larger bench. The registry is directed to place the matter before the Honorable the Chief Justice of India on the administrative side. In the meanwhile, the states and the authorities would be entitled to either continue the practitioners of indigenous systems of medicine even after the age of superannuation is specified for them till the age of superannuation provided for MBBS doctors without the benefit of regular pay and allowances. Eventually, if the larger bench holds in favor of the Ayush doctors, entitling them for enhancement in retirement age, the practitioners would be entitled to avail pay and allowances during the period they were continued. However, if they are not allowed to continue by virtue of this order, still they would be entitled to avail the pay and allowances for the enhanced period if the issue is held in their favor.